Okay guys, this is an installation video for the new tin cover. It creates a void on the end of your box to go around the ribs on tin. So it's an interior use only, and you have to use it with a CSA approved box extension. I've got my power shut off. My box is mounted to the inside of my 2x4 framing or 2x6 framing, and I've got this wall 3/4 strapped, and I've put my tin on. I've left about 1/8 of an inch on each side of the box with the hole in my tin, and from the center of my box I measured 2 5/8 up and 2 5/8 down in order to go around my tin cover. So you just slide it in. Kind of get it set in there. And then it should just be able to tighten up your screws if it's set in there right. Pretty quick and easy, and then it can be used with new style plugs or switches or old style, because the faceplate just fits right into the groove around on the tin cover. You just make sure you center your plug in there so that your faceplate will go on. Just like that. Hopefully you guys like this. I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's gonna help a lot of people fix a few problems that we've been having in the industry. And look forward to hearing what you guys think, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys.